Let me ask you something. Brutally honest. Do you really think every Lexus is a good Lexus? Because that's the myth they've sold you. Oh, Lexus is the most reliable, they say. It lasts forever. But what they don't tell you is that some Lexus models turn into nightmares the moment the warranty expires, draining your bank account like a leech with leather seats. You see, the badge might be the same. The luxury feel? Sure, it's there. But under the hood, some Lexus models are ticking time bombs, while others, they're built like tanks, still running smooth after 15 years, demanding nothing but oil and gas. So if you're planning to buy a used Lexus or you already own one that's creeping past its warranty, this video is your wake-up call. Because owning the wrong Lexus model after the warranty ends is like playing Russian roulette with your finances. Repairs that cost more than the car's value, transmission failures that hit without warning, technology that breaks down faster than a cheap smartphone. But don't worry, I've done the homework you weren't supposed to do. I've filtered out the overhyped junk and handpicked the 10 most valuable Lexus models that are actually worth owning after warranty, and 10 you should avoid like financial poison. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Lexus cars age like wine and which ones rot like forgotten milk. 5 best Lexus models worth owning after warranty. 1. Lexus GX 460201 2022. Let's start with the undisputed tank, the GX 460. You're looking at a vehicle so reliable, it could survive a zombie apocalypse with a flat tire. Why? Because under that luxury body lies the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado DNA. That's not marketing talk, that's military-grade engineering. The GX doesn't just look durable, it is. You've got a 4.6-liter V8 engine that's hilariously overbuilt. Even after 150,000 miles, these things barely hiccup. Suspension? Solid. Transmission? Bulletproof. Electronics? Surprisingly basic and stable. You're not paying for some touchscreen gimmicks. You're buying mechanical immortality. Yes, the fuel economy is bad. Yes, it looks like it skipped design school. But guess what? When your friend's German SUV is in the shop for its 3rd turbo failure, your GX just keeps driving. It's the perfect post-warranty Lexus. 2. Lexus RX 3502010 2015. Everyone talks about the RX like it's just another mom SUV. But here's the truth. The 2010-2015 RX 350 is a mechanical masterpiece, disguised as a suburban commuter. It's powered by the legendary 3.5-liter 2GRFE V6, an engine so over-engineered, Toyota should have been sued for making their competitors look stupid. The timing chain doesn't need replacement. The suspension is smooth and dependable, and even the electronics from that era were simple and durable, not the fragile, over-teched nightmares newer cars have. If you're looking for an SUV that'll cross 200,000 miles without drama, the RX 350 is your golden ticket. It's not just reliable, it's quiet, comfortable, and stress-free. It's the kind of car that saves you money, time, and mental breakdowns after the warranty expires. 3. Lexus ES 300-hour 2013. Now, let's talk hybrids, but not the flaky, battery-eating kind. The ES 300-hour is Toyota hybrid tech refined to perfection. It uses the same drivetrain as the Camry hybrid, arguably one of the most reliable hybrid systems ever created. What makes it special? 2 things: simplicity and predictability. The electric motor works with the gasoline engine, not against it. There are no fancy turbos, no complicated transmission quirks, just smooth, consistent performance that costs next to nothing to maintain. After 100,000 miles, most hybrids start begging for new batteries. But the ES 300-hour? It just yawns and keeps going. If you want high MPG, ultra-low maintenance, and a plush Lexus interior without post-warranty nightmares, this is it. 4. Lexus LS 430201 2006. Let's go old school. The LS 430 is not a car, it's an insult to modern luxury sedans. Why? Because it was built when Lexus didn't care about touchscreen sizes or Bluetooth. They cared about one thing: flawless engineering. The 4.3-liter V8, the LS 430, is smooth like silk and strong like steel. You'll see these things pushing 300,000 miles with their original drivetrain. The suspension? Air or coil both outlive expectations. And because it's from the pre-Overtech era, the electronics just work, always. This car is what modern cars fear becoming: reliable, timeless, and unkillable. No CVT, no turbo, no hybrid battery, just pure mechanical genius. Post-warranty. This is your fortress on wheels. 5. Lexus is 3502014, 2017. Wait, didn't we just praise the RX 350 earlier? Yes, but this version? Different story. The 2016-2018 RX 350 came with new tech, new suspension systems, and a heavily redesigned infotainment system which aged like milk. People report issues with the 8-speed automatic transmission, infotainment glitches, and squeaky failing suspension components. Repairs aren't as straightforward, costs are higher, and if you don't catch the problems early, you're stuck with a luxury car that feels like it's falling apart at the seams right after the warranty ends. So, now you know the truth. Not every Lexus is a luxury blessing. Some are straight up cursed the moment the warranty clock runs out. But hey, maybe you disagree. Maybe you've owned one of the worst models and it's still running smoother than your neighbor's new BMW. Or maybe you trusted the hype and got burned with a repair bill that made your soul leave your body. Tell me in the comments, what's your Lexus story? Did you buy a post-warranty Lexus and live happily ever after? Or did it turn into a luxury paperweight? And here's the real question. Would you still buy a Lexus without a warranty knowing what you know now? Or would you play it safe and stick with Toyota instead? Also, if there's a model I missed that deserves a spot on either the best or worst list, don't just yell at the screen, drop it below. You never know who you might save or scare. And hey, before you go, if this video saved you even $1 in future repair bills, smash that like button like it's a faulty transmission, and subscribe for more brutally honest car content. Catch you in the next one where luxury gets exposed, one model at a time.